In this video, we are going to see how to delete a note. In the note store file, create a delete note function. In that function, remove a given note from the notes array and call the save function. In the content view, for the note row view, add a swipe action. Inside that, create a button. For the label, give the title as delete and system name as trash. In the button action, call the delete note function. Initially, we forgot to implement create note function inside the empty state, so we are implementing it. Now run the project. Swipe the note and click the delete button. Now list is updated. Thanks for watching this video.